how to completely log out of iPhone. First, go back to your home screen and then tap on Settings. From here, tap on your account at the top. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. Then tap on Sign Out, but don't erase. If you want to erase the iPhone, you can choose Erase this iPhone. Now before you do that, make sure you back up your data, because once you do this, all your photos, documents, downloads will be erased. So you want to make sure you back it up first before you choose this option. Otherwise, you can simply just choose Sign Out but don't erase, and then tap on the Continue button. Here, tap on the Continue Anyway, and then from here, tap on Continued. Now put in your account password. Once you put in your account password, just tap on the tick button right there. Make sure you put in the correct password. And here, it will verify with Face ID, and it is signing out or logging out. Okay, so once you have successfully logged out, it will show Apple account up here. All your Apple apps and photos still be on the device here, and you can see all the apps is still available for you to use. It's available for someone else to now sign in with a different Apple account. And if you really want to completely sign out or log out and erase everything so that you can sell your device or give your device to someone else, you can go into Settings, then tap on General and scroll down. From here, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Erase all content and settings. Again, if you choose to do this, then make sure that you have backup your data, your media, your content, contacts, etc. before you go ahead and erase this iPhone. Once you put in the passcode, the device will go ahead and erase the data. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.